How can SMC help you save hours of time when designing your machinery? The SMC PneuSAFE software provides safety circuits which meet relevant national and international standards as well as relevant legislation. This software was described as groundbreaking by 80% of our customers. I have over 30 years experience in the area of machinery safety, helping numerous customers in various manufacturing industries. Recently, one of our OEM customers was experiencing issues in meeting safety standards for their machinery. They were designing a special purpose machine for one of their customers and were concerned about access to hazardous moving pneumatic cylinders. This is when we introduced them to the SMC PneuSAFE software. It allowed them to easily produce safety circuits for 10 pneumatic cylinders with various levels of safety or performance levels. Without the PneuSAFE software, they would have spent many hours of research time, costing the company thousands of pounds. This is the SMC PneuSAFE homepage. If you know the safety function required, then you can click on the Functions button on the top left. Here there are various safety functions listed, such as safe venting and safe stopping and closing, which will open up solutions if you click on them. Alternatively, we have an Applications button at the top right of the homepage where solutions can be found for particular applications. For example, I'll click on the application called Holding Up Heavy Loads. There may be several solutions for this, which can be found by clicking on the black arrows to the far right or left of the page. As an example, I've selected one with the title 2x XT34 1 per chamber. There are 6 boxes on the page, and the top 3 boxes have information about the circuit, such as achievable performance level, architecture and application examples. The left-hand box at the bottom has the circuit diagram, which can be expanded by clicking on it. The middle box at the bottom may have a video giving a simple explanation of the solution. The right-hand box at the bottom has supporting documentation which can be downloaded, such as a circuit description, a bill of materials, a third-party report on the solution by TUV Rhineland, and general terms and conditions. Finally, there is a button at the bottom right of the page which will open the circuit in the SMC NewDraw software. This will allow it to be incorporated into the machine pneumatic circuits. So, if you're interested in saving hours of design time on your machines, please contact me directly. Follow us on LinkedIn to find out the latest updates on SMC new products.